Hello everybody, this is Kiran again. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for showing so much love to my previous video. I have 50 subscribers now and I am really happy, and I want to thank all of you guys who viewed my video and who subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. Now in this video I am gonna answer to all of your questions and queries as much as I can. So yeah, let's begin. And I'm gonna look here sometimes because here I have all the questions with me in my laptop. So yeah, so the first question is this university located in Rajan Kunte? So yes, this university is located on the outskirts of Bangalore. It is not very far from the Bangalore airport, and yeah, so it is in a place called Rajan Kunte. Rajan Kunte is the nearest bus stop, and then I think Idgalpura is the main location of the campus. So yeah. Ajit Kumar is asking, where is this hostel, sister? So hi Ajit, this hostel is near the college. It's there 3 kilometers from the college, and you will be provided bus. If you take the hostel, you will be provided bus like for the hostel and back and forth. So yeah, and it is all included in the hostel fees itself. You do not have to pay any extra amount for that. Red Heji one is asking, how is campus and I am joined by management seat, is it worthful? So how is campus? So the campus is very beautiful, it's very green and very nice. They have benches, they have a nice garden, they have very pretty campus. They also have fountains. It's very pretty. And I am joined by management seat, is it worthful? So I do not know like what are your expectations, and I do not know, bro, is it worthful? I think everybody have their own perception, expectations and experiences, so I cannot answer that question, I'm sorry. The next question is by Mayank Sharma. What course are you in, my friend? So I did my MBA in Finance and Marketing from Presidency University 2022 to 2024 batch. Now my degree is completed. I am still left with my convocation. So I haven't got my degree yet, but my course is completed. As Bharti is asking, how much fees for MCA course and what about the placement? The website you can see the fees, or there might be what do you call it, like a helpline number or a customer care number on the website. So from there you can know the fees. Vaishnavi hey, hello, can you please tell me if we should pay the whole hostel fees at once or we can pay it in installment? So the thing with the hostel is when I took my admission in the first year, that time it was installment, six months, and then when I continued with the hostel in the second year, they changed the rule and they made it like you have to pay the full amount at once. And I did pay the full amount at once, and then again some student, they protested against it, and then they had to change it again, and then they had to take 6 months fees, and then they gave a very short deadline, like a 30 days or 45 days deadline for the next installment, which was again 6 months installment. So yeah, the hostel is a bit rigid, I would say. The college is still very flexible. Shubham Singh is asking, and also Prajwal is asking, can you make a video on MCA placements please? And Prajwal is asking, is the placement good in your college? So I would like to put it this way, that a lot of companies do come in. Like I did my MBA, so a lot of good companies did come in, but of course you have to go through the whole process of, first the companies will shortlist your profile according to their needs, and then you'll have to go through aptitude, GD, personal interviews and all of that. So all of this is according to your profile and how you go through those levels. But of course the college did bring a lot of good companies for us as well. And right now my friend is there who is doing her BCA, and she told me that Didi, the first company that came in is Accenture. So Accenture, we all know, it's a very good company. Okay, Meghna Patel is asking, which campus there are two Presidency University campus? there's only one Presidency University campus that is in Rajan Kunte, and the other one you're talking about is in, I think, Hebal or Yelanka, and that is Presidency College, not the university. The university is of course bigger, and it offers much more courses, and it is in Rajan Kunte. Chris 7 Dave is asking, मुझे BCA करनी है क्या? BCA available है यहाँ? So yes, BCA is available. A lot of my friends are doing BCA. Disha is asking, hi, please make a video about food menu provided in hostel. So I think I'll make a separate video on this, but just for reference, there are 4 meals that the hostel provides, and all 4 meals are freshly prepared meals. So for breakfast you'll get 2 types of breakfast. Suppose you get upma and you will get something else like idli, upma and idli. So 2 things for breakfast, and then you get your, of course, sambar or whatever, chutney and all that, and you get your chai, coffee, and there is bread, that is uncooked bread in the packets, you can take it, and then there is jam. Yeah, I think this is the breakfast. And for lunch you get 2 types of rice, plain rice, and one is some flavored rice, any flavor like corn rice or tomato rice, different types of rice. And then you get your sambar and dal, or sometimes they change sambar with rasam also, and you get your curd, and then you get 1 or 2 types of sabji. I think 2 types of sabji they give, and they give fries. Yeah, and yes, every day with lunch you get 1 type of mithai. It might be a gulab jamun or a barfi, like that, they keep changing it. And for snacks you get chai and some snacks, suppose samosa or what do you call it, bread pakoda or something like that. And for dinner again you get and also for lunch you get roti as well. So again for dinner you will get roti, you will get rice, you will get dal, dahi, curd, salad, everything you will get. Yeah, so yeah, that is there, and the menu also keeps changing every day. So yeah. So Asim Banerjee is asking, hi Asim, can you please tell me what are the rules of the hostel and what is the curfew timing? So the rules of the hostel are pretty strict, especially for the girls. Like you have to wear your full pajamas all the time if you go to the mess, or if you go to the gym, or if you go to the basketball court that is there. Even if you are going for an outing, like the guards won't let you go out of the hostel if you're not wearing proper clothes. Like, so yeah, it is pretty strict that way. And there are other rules as well, like if you want to go out somewhere for an outing, like there's an app, okay, so you have to apply to that app, and then your parents also need to have that app. They'll have to accept it on the app that you're going out. And then the warden, each student will have a warden, so according to the floor that you stay in the hostel, and the warden have to approve it, and then you will have to show that to the guards, and then you can go out. So yeah, it is pretty strict. Even when you come back, you'll have to scan. There's a QR code that they'll scan through that app. So yeah, it is pretty strict. The rules are very, very strict. Like I have cried in the hostel. The rules are that strict. They are very inconsiderate. Like they want it, you know. Sometimes your parents, for me, like my parents, it was very difficult for them to use the app. Some parents don't use so much phone, so they won't understand if they won't consider. They are very, very strict sometimes. So yeah, like I remember I went for my job interview, and while coming back I got late, though I had all the permissions from my HOD, from my the hostel in charge, everything. Still the guards made a very big scene out of it. They called my warden at 10 at night, and you know, it was very, very stressful for me. So yeah, hostel is very strict, like they won't consider. Shivank Singh is asking, बॉयज़ गर्ल्स एक में नहीं रह सकते क्या? आप ट्राई करो, ये आप जाओ प्रेसिडेंसी के हॉस्टल में और आप ट्राई करो कि आप किसी लड़की के साथ रहो. So these were all the questions, you guys. Thank you for watching my previous video. If you guys still have any questions, you guys can write in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. Okay.